This video was suggested by Heartblossom. If you have any topics you would like to see made into a video, there is a link below in the description. Thank you. History has no shortage of fascinating queens. There have been women all over the world that hold this title, each with their own unique story. Scotland has had many interesting queens, but possibly the best-known woman with that title was that of Mary, Queen of Scots. Mary was born on December 8, 1542, James V of Scotland and his second wife, the French-born Mary of Guise. Mary's birth came at a fortunate time. She was the only surviving legitimate child of the royal couple, and her father would soon be on his deathbed. According to Scottish minister John Knox, James V reacted to the birth of his daughter by saying, "It began with a girl, and it will end with a girl," possibly referencing the Stuart accession to the throne through Marjorie Bruce, daughter of the famous Robert the Bruce. On December 14th, 1542, James V died at the age of 30 and was succeeded by his newborn daughter, now Queen Mary. Mary's mother acted as a regent for the little girl. Like many other monarchs of the time, the question arose for who the little queen would one day marry. Scotland needed a powerful alliance, and in 1548, the 5-year-old Mary was sent off to live in France, in preparation for her marriage to the future Francis II of France, son of Henry II of France and his Italian wife, Catherine de' Medici. Mary was given an education fitting a queen. She was taught to speak French, Spanish, Latin, and Italian. On April 24th, 1558, all of the preparation that Mary had withstood finally paid off. Like Mary's father, James V had predicted just before his death, the Stuart dynasty did in fact end with a girl. The last Stuart queen was Queen Anne, who died in August 1714 at the age of 49. Despite having over 16 pregnancies, Anne had no living children, and the throne passed to the descendants of Anne's German cousin, Sophia of Hanover. The current king, King Charles III, descends from the House of Hanover. Mary's life was full of controversial love matches and political intrigue. Her descendants would unite the thrones of England and Scotland, and every British monarch from James I can trace their roots back to Mary in some way. Without Mary, it is possible that the United Kingdom would look very different today. Thank you everyone for watching. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more of my content, please give the video a like and subscribe to Sweet Sister Tea, a channel full of random facts and lots of sparkles. We are so close to 1,000 subscribers, and I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel and share the video with your friends. If you would like to see more of my hobbies, please consider following me on Instagram. Thank you again for watching. Until next time.